Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 playing with numbers and today we will do exercise 4.5. In this exercise you will learn about LCM and the relation between LCM and SCF. LCM means the least common multiple. It means that for given number you have to find out the multiple which should be common for both the number and the smallest. So for example, here I have taken 20 and 24. So for these two number, we have to find out the common multiple. The common multiple which will come at first. So for this we have two methods. First one is prime factorization method and another one is division method. So first we will discuss prime factorization method. For this you have to do the factor of number, prime factor. So first we will do for 20. 2 10s are 20 and 2 5s are 5 1s are. After that do the factor for next number. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Then write these factors. 20 factors are 2 into 2 into 5 and for 24 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will find out the LCM. So first of all we need to see which number is common for both the numbers. So you can see here this 2 is common for both the number. Again one more 2 is there common for both the number. So here we in place of these two we will write 1 2 and one more 2. Till now for SCF you have learned till here. So if you need to calculate SCF means 2 into 2. But for LCM changes that after taking out the common number, whatever the numbers are remaining that you need to write here. So now remaining is 5 and 1 2 here and then 1 3 here. So now multiply these two number. 2 to 4, 4 5 20, 20 to 40 and 40 into 3 120. So LCM for 20 and 24 is 120. 120 is the first number which will come in 20 table also and 24 table also. Then next we have one more method, that is division method. In division method together we will do the factorization for both the number. So write 20 and 24 together. Then start with the first number. If any one number is even, then you start with 2. 2 10s are 20. Divide the second number. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again both are even, so we will do with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Now 5 is odd, 6 is even, so we will do with 2. This 5 will not go with 2, so we will write as it is. 6 will go, so 2 3s are 6. Then next 5 1s are 5 and 3 as it is. Then 3 1s are 3 and this one will be as it is. Now all the numbers you have to multiply. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. One more 2 is there. So after multiplication you will get 120. So whatever method you will follow, answer will come same. Next thing is relation between LCM and SCF of two number. So always remember LCM and the SCF multiplication is equal to the product of number. So if you have to find out LCM, then SCF you can shift another side, and if you need to calculate SCF, in that case LCM you can shift another side. Or if any one number is given, LCM SCF is given, then you can shift another number another side to find out the other number. Next one more point is there, if both the numbers are co-prime. In that case SCF will be 1. Co-prime means nothing is common in both the number, only 1 will be the common. So SCF will come. In that case LCM will be equal to product of two number. Now we will start exercise 4.5. First question, find LCM by prime factorization method. First part, 28 and 98 is given. So first we will do the prime factor of 28 and 98. 28 is a even number, so we will start from 2, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, then again 2, 2 7 and 7 1 ja. Then 98, it is a even number, so we will start from 2, 2 4 ja and 9 ja. 49 will come in 7 tables, 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So 28 factors are 2 into 2 into 7. And 98 factors are 2 into 7 into 7. So first we will take out the common number. This 2 is common in both the number and this 7 is common. After taking out common, the leftover number we have to write. 2 is leftover and 7 is leftover. Then you have to multiply this number. 2 into 7, 2 into 7. So we'll get here 196. Second part, 36, 40 and 126. So first for 36 we will do factor 2 1 ja and 2 8 ja. Then again 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Then next number is 40, 2 factor for 40. 2 20 times, 2 10 times, 2 5 times and 5 1 time. Next 126, 2 6 ja and 3 ja. Then 3 2 ja and 1 ja. 3 7 ja and 7 1 ja. Next 36 factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 40 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. And 126 factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So to find out LCM, first we will take out the common term from all the 3. So from 3 this 2 is common and any other number is not there. Now we will take common from 2 2. So from these two, 1 2 we can take out as common, and 1 3 from here and here we can take out common. Then one more 3 is common, and now leftover number which are not common. So 2 into 5 into 7. So first if 3 numbers are there, then first take out the common from all the 3, then common number from 2 2, and then at last leftover numbers you have to write. Multiply all these numbers, you will get 2520. That is LCM for these numbers. Next third part, 108, 135 and 162. So first 108, it will go by 2, 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Then 135, it will go with 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. 162, it will go with 2, 2 8s are 2 1s are, then 3 27 times, 3 9 times, 3 3 times and 3 1 time. Then write all the factors together. 108 factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 135 factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 162 factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we will write the LCM. First take out the common number from all the 3. So 1 3, 1 more 3 and 1 more 3. So 1 3 is common. Then this 3 and this 3. 1 more 3 is common. Then again 1 more 3 is common. Now from 2 2 we will take. So from these two, 1 2, this 2 and this 2 is common. After this nothing else is common. Remaining numbers you have to write. and multiply these numbers. This is LCM for these three numbers. Next, fourth part, 24, 28 and 196. 24 first it will go with 2, 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja, then 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja. After this, next 28, 2 1 ja and 2 4 ja, 2 7 ja and 7 1 ja. 196, 2 8, 2 9 ja and 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja and 9 ja and 7 7 one time. Write all the factors together. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 28 factors are 2 into 2 into 7. 196 factors are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now first take out the common number from all the three. This 2 is common, one more 2 is common. Now from 2 we will take, from these two this 7 is common, and these leftover number write as it is. Multiply all the numbers, 1176 you will get, that is LCM for these numbers. Next, question number 2, find LCM by division method, 480 and 672. So for division method, both the numbers we have to write together and together we have to factorize. So first with 2, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja and 0 ja, this second number 2 3 ja, 3 ja and 6 ja. Again it will go with 2, 2 1 ja, 2 ja and 0, 2 1 ja, 6 ja and 8 ja. Then 260 times, 284 times. Again with 2, 230 times and 242 times. Then 215 and 221. Now it will go with 3 table, 3 5 ja and 3 7 ja, then 5 1 ja, 7 as it is we have to write, and then at last 7 1 ja 7. So LCM will be the multiplication of all the numbers. 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 2 is there, 1 time 3, 1 time 5 and 1 time 7. So multiply all the number, you will get 3360, which is our answer. Second part, we have to find out LCM for 6, 8 and 45. These two numbers are even, so we will start with 2, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja and 45 as it is. Then again this 3 as it is, 2 2 ja and this 45 also as it is. Again 2 1 ja 2 and remaining two numbers like this only you have to write. Now 3 1 ja and 3 15 times. Again 3 5 times, and then at last it will go with 5. So LCM will be 3 times 2 is there and 2 times 3 is there and 1 time 5. Multiply all these numbers. This is your LCM. Next, third part, 24, 40 and 84. So first we will start with 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 20 times, 2 42 times. Then again it will go with 2, 2 6 ja, 2 10 ja and 2 21. Then 2 3, 2 5 and this 21 will be as it is. Next with 3, 3 1 ja, 5 as it is and 3 7 ja. Then we will take 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 7 as it is. Then 7 1 ja 7. So LCM of these number will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 840 you will get after multiplication. Next, fourth part, 20, 36, 63 and 77. So first we will start with 2, 2 10 ja, 2 18 times, and 63 and 73 will not go with 2. So write as it is. Again 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja, 63 and 77 as it is. Next we will use 3, 5 as it is, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja and 1 ja, and 77 will be as it is. Then again with 3, 5 as it is, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 7 ja 21 and 77. We will keep like this only. Again 5, 5 1 ja 1, 7 and 77 like this. Then with 7, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 11 ja. At last we will use 11. 11 1 ja 11. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Multiply all the numbers. This is our LCM here. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will do in next video. Thank you for watching.